Hey class 10 warriors, physics, the one subject that can make your marks fly or make your brain fry, but not anymore. Because today I'll give you a crystal clear 90 days study plan, tailor made for ICSE Class 10 Physics 2026. A plan that will make you go from, Sir, I don't get this, to, Sir, I got this. Board exams start February 2026. So, let's begin right now. Ready? Let's go. We'll start with phase 1. The first 4 weeks, your foundation weeks. Think of this as the engine of your physics prep. If this part is strong, the rest becomes super easy, the rest becomes very easy. For the first 2 weeks, we'll be starting with force, work, power and energy. Understand Newton's laws like you understand your best friend. You should be able to predict what happens. Next, work energy theorem. For the work energy theorem, we need to complement it with potential energy, conservation of energy and all the big chapters. Whenever you see a formula, don't just mug it up. Ask, why does this make sense? Ask yourself these questions. When you throw a ball upward, where does the energy go? That's physics. That's physics in motion right in front of you. Now, moving on to week 3 and 4. It's all about light. Light including reflection and refraction. Ray diagrams are not scary. They are like selfies. You just need the right angle. Do 10 diagrams daily. You need to practice those diagrams about concave lenses, convex lenses, refraction, reflection. And guess what? You will be unstoppable. Take breaks every 40 minutes. Even Newton discovered gravity after taking a break under a tree. Next, we move to phase 2. Consider this as the middle innings. It's about sound, electricity and magnetism. For weeks 5 to 6, start with sound, resonance, speed of sound and the Doppler effect. That ambulance siren changing pitch, that's not drama, that's the Doppler effect. Keep a mini formula sheet, revise it before bed, it will help you a lot. Now for week 7 and 8, we have electricity, magnetism and heat. This part is gold. Scoring and fun. Ohm's law, resistors, circuits and current. And complementing it, we have magnetic fields, solenoids and electromagnetics. Draw circuit diagrams daily and remember, current flows through conductors, but marks flow through practice. Practice, practice and only practice. If you ever get bored, just look around yourself. Look at your environment, your fan, your fridge or your phone charger. All are examples of live physics experiments happening right inside your room. Heat, specific heat, latent heat and calorimetry. Don't forget units, they quietly fetch you marks. Every heat problem follows one simple rule. Formula, substitute and solve. Now we have reached the concept building phase, the phase 3 from weeks 9 to 12. First we have modern physics for week 9 and 10. In modern physics we have Bohr's model, the photoelectric effect and radioactivity. The science fiction part of your syllabus. You will learn about alpha, beta and gamma rays. Also you will see how Einstein cracked the mystery of light. So, if you ever feel confused, just remember, even Einstein once failed an exam. But guess what? He never stopped questioning. And neither should you. Correct? So, step outside. Feel the sunlight on your face. That's the same photon that you are studying. That is a perfect example of nature's way of saying, keep learning.
Next, we go to week 11 and 12. Now comes the most powerful phase, the revision marathon. For week 11, we have force, work, and energy. Redo the numericals. Then we have light and sound, ray diagrams, and key formulas. For week 12, you have electricity, magnetism, and heat. For this, you need to practice circuits and derivations. For modern physics, practice half life and nuclear reactions. And please don't just read, write. Your hand should remember the answer before your brain does. And hey, 3 hours of focus study is better than 8 hours of half scrolling Instagram and half studying. For day 1, mock test 1, force to sound. Day 2, mock test 2, electricity to modern physics. Day 5, light revision, rest and recharge. Day 7, full syllabus test. Time yourself. And for day 14, take another full syllabus test and time yourself.
Alright students, enough of knowledge. Now I'll be leaving you with a motivational quote. Physics isn't difficult, it's logical. Concept first, practice daily, revise weekly and test yourself monthly. It's a simple mantra and it definitely works. Never ever compare yourself with anyone. You are your only competition to the yesterday version of you. You have got the time, you have got the plan, now all you need is discipline. So guess what? I'll see you guys on the result day where physics becomes your proudest subject for ICSE Physics 2026. This means logic and practice. So, like, share and subscribe for more 90-day study plans, exam strategies and concept clearance. And all the best!